A block of mass m is initially sliding with speed v0 on a horizontal frictionless surface, as shown above. It makes an elastic head-on collision with another block of mass 2m that is initially at rest. Which of the following correctly shows the motion of the blocks after the collision? From conservation of momentum, we have that m times v naught is equal to m times v1f plus 2m times v2f. So v naught is equal to v1f plus 2 v2f. Also, since the collision is completely elastic, the coefficient of restitution is 1. So v2f minus v1f over v1i minus v2i is equal to 1. Therefore, v2f minus v1f is equal to v0 minus 0. This results in the system v1f plus 2 v2f equals v0 and negative v1f plus v2f equals v0. By elimination, we obtain 3 v2f equals 2 v0, or v2f is 2/3 v0. By substituting, we get v1f equals v2f minus v0, so v1f is 2/3 v0 minus v0, or negative 1/3 v0. This corresponds to option B, where the block of mass m reverses direction.